Hello, my name is James Adams, structural engineer. I'm the developer of the Solar Roof Check program. In this video, I want to show you basically how to input information for a new job. Of course, the first thing is to log in. You'll get your login ID and password from your company administrator. Let's say that you are Ted, and your password, which you will get from your company administrator, is 1234. Okay, log in. On the left, you'll see the new job heading. You just click that button there, and you start off. There's only 3 steps. So step number 1, job number. Let's take 1234. Let's say the job actually has a name called Ted's Home. Address. I'll put in our office address here. Now you begin to put in this information. Ground snow for this particular jurisdiction, let's say, is 20 pounds a square foot, and the wind load for this wind speed for this area is 90 miles an hour. Lag screw embedment, 2 inches, pretty common. This would be the roofing type for the house that you're actually looking at. Let's say it has flat tile. As you can see, these buttons down here, each one gives you some information as to what's behind this. If you say, gee, overall span width, what is that? Simply click the button and you can see up here what that definition is. Here's the coverage. Let's say 30% of the roof is covered by solar panels. Overall span of the truss, 45 feet if it's a truss. Lag screw diameters, 5/16 of an inch. Vaulted ceiling, in this case it's a flat ceiling. We'll say no for the vaulted ceiling. PV system weight, that includes the racking, 3 pounds a square foot. Let's see what this is. PV module length. Let's just take a look at the pop-up. Here you can see that it's the distance perpendicular to the rails. Okay, normally 5.5 feet in case, unless you have a landscaped situation. Standoff spacing for this job, let's say it's designed to be 6 feet. Staggered standoffs, yes. Okay, let's go to step number 2 now. Let's say that we have a, let's say single span rafters. Let's say that's what the site text says we have. Okay, step 3, we're almost finished here. Let's say we have 2x8s at 16 inches on center, and the span is 12 feet. Let's say this is a 1-story building. We put that information in for the roof mean height. Roof slope for this particular building, let's say, is 34 degrees, and it has a 1/2-inch chipboard ceiling. Okay, this condition here allows you to put in a wind exposure factor of D, which is very high. Normally it would be no, but here's a little explanation of that. Now, you're basically finished. And here now you can select your payment method. You can either invoice by your company, or you can buy now with your credit card. Let's go ahead and invoice with the company. And here's your results. As simple as that. That took about 3.5 minutes so far. Here you can see the results of all the load combinations. In this case, we've passed everything. We can view the assessment report, and of course you can download this and print it off for your files. Basically that's it. It's a simple 1, 2, 3 easy steps. I appreciate your time listening to this. Thank you very much.